Hello, I am Dr. Kayla Eldridge, and today I will be going over why we must become digital citizens. So first, an introduction. According to the Center for Digital Education in 2017, students need to learn to produce online content, to collaborate with others in the process, to distinguish good information from bad information, to protect themselves while doing this, and maintain a digital footprint and online presence that shows potential employers that they are a contributing online citizen. So Mendoza in 2020 tells us that E-Rate is a federal program through which schools and libraries can apply for funds to purchase hardware, internet access, and telecommunications to connect their students to learning opportunities. In order to apply for E-Rate funding, you must be Child Internet Protection Act, or CIPA, certified. To do this, you have to have a plan to use technology safely and responsibly, implement that plan, and also to document that plan. For more details, you can go to the FCC website and find all of the versions of CIPA. GoGuardian suggests that there are 5 reasons to teach digital citizenship. These include information literacy, online safety, health and emotional wellness, cyberbullying prevention, and digital responsibility. So what exactly does all of this mean? According to Zook in 2022, the responsible use of technology by anyone who uses computers, the internet, and digital services to engage with society on any level is digital citizenship. He goes on to explain that technology can be good or it can be bad. Some good things is connecting with other people, learning to empathize with people, and creating relationships. Some bad could be cyberbullying, having irresponsible social media posts, or having a lack of knowledge of what should or shouldn't be done on the internet. Ribble introduced 9 key elements that help to define how to best use technology in every school, home, and community. He then took and put it into 3 categories and called it REP. R is for respect yourself and others. So for etiquette, students need to understand how their technology use affects others. For access, not everyone has the same opportunities with technology, whether the issue is physical, socioeconomic, or educational. And the law, the ease of using online tools has allowed some people to steal, harass, or cause problems for others online. You cannot take content without permission. E is for educating yourself and others, where we have literacy. Learning happens everywhere. Communication, we need to know when and where to use technology. For commerce, technology allows us to buy and sell across the globe. P is for protecting yourself and others. There are rights and responsibilities, so you need to build trust so that if something happens online, students are willing to share their problems or concerned about what has happened. For security, it is everyone's responsibility to guard their tools and data by having software and applications that protect them from online intruders. And for health and wellness, there needs to be a balance between the online world and the real world. So they need to make sure that there's limits on technology and do have some face-to-face contact time. So Common Sense Education states that schools are dealing with online safety issues, cyberbullying, privacy issues, hate speech, misinformation, and digital distraction. They suggest teaching 6 core topics in media balance and well-being, privacy and security, digital footprint and identity, relationships and communication, cyberbullying, digital drama and hate speech, and then news and media literacy. LA County has a website with links for student, parent, and teacher resources, as well as information about cybersecurity and media literacy. iSafe has cloud-based services for identity management, cybersecurity, and e-safety. Also for instructional programming for educational and commercial organizations. GoGuardian suggests these free resources, teaching digital citizenship. So Be Internet Awesome through Google, Safe Online Surfing through the FBI, and Ignition through Everfi. So, do we have a culture of positive online usage, or are we ready? Joseph in 2020 tells us to be ready. We need to remind students to be mindful of what information and opinions they make public. Encourage students to step away from their cell phones or computer screens when hanging out with friends. Having accountability is key. Demonstrate and model good citizenship to promote a culture of positive online usage. And be a culture of yes when it comes to launching digital tools. Instead of blocking and locking down everything, we need to teach the students how to utilize those tools. Now for my conclusion, there are 5 questions you should ask prior to posting online. These key questions are: what impressions are you giving to others? Do I really want this information out there? Am I oversharing? Would I want somebody to reshare this about me? And can it pass that newspaper test? So for the Derby Way, our board policies review what acceptable use is for both students and educators. It goes for computers and all other school-issued devices. The policy also covers us for SEPA so that we can get e-funds. So my assignment demonstrated correlation to the standard because I was able to research and create a presentation about digital citizenship. The assignment was relevant to my current learning because we need to model good citizenship as leaders. This assignment improved my understanding of digital citizenship through my research on the topic, as well as looking at how Derby Public Schools handles digital citizenship. This assignment will influence the decisions I make as a future school leader because, again, we must be good models for our staff and for our students. And this is my reference page. And thanks to Slides Carnival for the template. Have a great day.